We have 100 straps. All right, baby. All right. Thundercat, they like you, baby. She says she know. Nothing sounds better than this bike, man. I don't care. I've heard a lot of bikes, old, new. Nothing sounds like this one. Oh, I'm going, brother. The tours are out. Good weather's out. All right, I see you, brother. People are out partying. Suits are out. All right, straighten up the tie. Yep, that's it. Get your proper pose for the camera. Oh, that's a good tattoo he got there. His sweat makes it look like it's popping out more, like it's jumping off of his skin. Very good. Very good work, brother. I'm gonna take it straight. Yeah, do that. Bodyguards, personal security or something, trying to play incognito. What do we have here? Skating in the vans. Turn up. Fuck. Turn up the wrong way. I know how many times has we seen that. Hello. Hit the fist. No? Hit the fist. There you go. I was like, yeah, okay, it's all right. I was hoping. I was like, wait, I hope she don't. Oh, what the hell? It scared me. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, the gang is up now. All right, all right. That was a light check right there. It was a light check. Picked up a good gang right now. Definitely a good gang, huh? That was a good gang right there. Even the police are like, what the hell? But that's gonna go viral right there, baby, I swear. I'm putting it up. Definitely am. Definitely dope. Sound vicious. All right. My man back here in the cut smoking like, damn, back in my day, boy. Yeah, I know. Shout out to Minnie Mouse and Mickey. But me and Thundercat, we out here. You guys want to hear it, I know. Damn, that shit was loud. Even to me. And I ride this motherfucker every day. Woo! Run them block. Hey, Pinky. I seen you, baby.